cut the spark, cut the power for some amount of time, configurable amount of time. Okay, so the price for a single cylinder, or rather a single spark module version, the price is going to be 399, 400 ringgit, and for the two spark modules it's going to be 600 ringgit. Yeah, so I believe it's a good price for what it is. We've been testing it on the road for, I think, well over a year. Yeah, so it took a while to get everything done. The tech was done a long time ago, but all the manufacturing stuff, quite a bit of time. But finally happy with where it is today. So there you have it. Alright.
A lot of you may know, both my bikes, the Suzuki GSXR150 and also the Suzuki SV650, have been running with a Quickshifter, but I never really get to talk about it. So here it is. Both bikes are using the locally made Shiftboss standalone Quickshifter. The previous Shiftboss models had to be paired with the TuneBoss ECU, but with this standalone model, it doesn't need to. In my case, the SV650 is running on the stock ECU. And the GSXR is running on the A-Racer Mini 5 ECU.